Hello everyone and welcome to Jump the Gap YouTube channel. Today we're going to start with a new section. It's going to be sing and dance. Are you ready to sing and dance? I hope so. Right, first of all we're going to learn some vocabulary. In the song we're going to talk about banana. Say banana. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about potatoes. Yummy potatoes. Oh, I like this one. We're going to talk about corn. Oh, I like the corn. We're going to talk about orange. Nice and yummy orange. And about onion as well. Yummy onion. I like onion. What about you? Right, so how we're going to do it is we're going to sing and I'm going to show you the flashcard. Yes? First of all, let's try it with the first verse, with the banana. Okay? You ready? Right, we're going to sing the song Go Bananas. This means go crazy, go bananas. So you have to fully go bananas. Yes? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, and 3. Peel bananas, peel bananas. Slice bananas, slice bananas. Eat bananas, eat bananas. Go bananas, go bananas. Right, now we're gonna go with potatoes. We're going to do plant potatoes, plant potatoes, plant potatoes, plant potatoes. Peel potatoes, peel potatoes, peel potatoes, peel potatoes, and mash potatoes, mash potatoes, mash potatoes, mash potatoes, and go bananas, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas. And now we're gonna do some corn. Yummy corn, and we're gonna pick some corn, pick some corn, pick some corn, pick some corn, shuck some corn, shuck some corn, shuck some corn, shuck some corn, and pop some corn, pop some corn, pop some corn, pop some corn, and go bananas, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas. Now we're gonna go with the orange. And we're gonna say, pick an orange, pick an orange, pick an orange, pick an orange, peel an orange, peel an orange, peel an orange, peel an orange, and squeeze an orange, squeeze an orange, squeeze an orange, squeeze an orange, and go bananas, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas. And the last one, we're gonna do the onion. We're going to dice some onion, dice some onion, dice some onion, dice some onion. Oh, we're going to cry from onion, cry from onion, cry from onion, cry from onion, and fry some onion, fry some onion, fry some onion, fry some onion, and go bananas, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas. Are we gonna go back to the first one with the bananas? What do we say? We peel the banana, peel bananas, peel bananas, peel bananas, peel bananas, and slice bananas, slice, slice, bananas, slice, bananas, slice, slice, bananas, and eat bananas, eat bananas, eat bananas, eat bananas. Go bananas, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas. Yeah! Good job, everyone. You did great. Right. So we're going to review one more time. We had bananas. We had potatoes. We had some corn. We had some orange. And we had some onion. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Excellent, everyone. I hope you enjoyed and that you sing this song at home. Okay? So, go bananas! Bye!